Going to London.
We're going to London.
Where are we going?
London. London, England. Across the pond.
Across the pond. Alright, we made it through security. Pre-check is amazing. There's like lines backed up all through this airport, and we only stood in line for like 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and have us a little bit of some Bacardi rum bar. And obviously, some beer. And Amanda's getting her headphones synced. Wheels up. Alright, so after a 4-hour delay, an 8-hour flight, 1 hour on the train, we are in London. We're staying at the Tower Hotel. We upgraded to the executive suite for an extra $40 a night. It probably was not worth it, but look at that view. So yeah, that's it, because the minibar sucks.
King size bed versus a standard bed.
Yeah, we did get a king size bed, but then they sold me by like a free minibar. And that's it. You get one bottle of beer, water, and wine, and some tater chips. Or some crisps, as they're called here. So I still don't feel like it was worth 40 bucks a night. But our room wasn't ready, and this room was, which was the biggest seller to us, because we needed to get some stuff put up. Looking for something to eat. We don't really know where we're going, so we're just going to walk across the Tower Bridge and hope we find something. That always works out, right? Squeeze something on there.
Hold on, I gotta put my wallet back up. Hello. Mustard.
Yep.
I want to go for a rinse roots.
Milk that cow.
Chips.
Just plain. It's not.
I think that's how it would look if you're actually milking a cow too.
Oh, okay. We are going to the British Museum. Now inside the British Museum. Pretty excited to see the Rosetta Stone and whatever else they have in here. We're in the Egyptian room. They got some pretty good pieces. I still get blown away about the 3D cutouts they could do. So what we learned in Rome is most of the time when you find like Roman-esque sculptures with their heads missing, it's because the heads were separate pieces, because when the rulers changed or someone changed, then they just popped the head off and put the new ruler's head on. So that's why most of the old artifacts are headless. So it looks like London gets dark at 4 o'clock. I don't think we actually planned on that, but we're gonna go check out Buckingham Palace real quick. And I'm tired, so probably gonna call it a night after that. But we'll see what happens.
No, slow.
London is doing what London does, and it's raining. So then we're going to take this opportunity to go slip into a pub and have a pint.